Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be my very first entry for my birthday challenge that I received. I am super excited to start getting your guys' entries. I've gotten so many emails. I've answered all of them back. I think I'm caught up now. I've been so busy creating the kits. If you guys purchase a kit from me, they will be out really soon. I create them myself, so therefore it takes me some time. So if you ordered some kits from me, they will be out really soon. I'm almost done. I think I have like 3 kits left to do, and then they're all shipping out all together. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And as far as the prizes for my Halloween series, I think I have 4 packages left to ship out, and those will be arriving at your homes really soon. But this package right here is from Missy, and she's Do What You Love on YouTube and crafts.it.all on Instagram. I'm going to have her links down below. Go check her out and tell her that Lily sent you. I did see her VR and saw her cute little creations. Thank you so much, girly, for entering the challenge. She put everything inside this super cute little happy birthday bag. I was going to wait to film a bunch together, but being that I had this on my desk already and I want to start cleaning up, I decided to film it. So the first thing that she sent here are her embellishments, and this is what they look like. They're so cute. She did birthday themes, so I love all the sprinkles. You guys know that the requirements are to create 2 embellishments, a card, and a tag flip, all within girly colors and all in a birthday theme, just because I love birthday mail and I feel like it's gonna make me happy, you guys, to look at all your creations using birthday theme paper and collections. So she did add some sequins, and look at the little sweets. I love it so much. They're so cute. And then this is her little card. There's her info right here. And she kept everything within the same theme, which I thought was adorable. And this is a little card that she made, and I love it so much. She decorated it on the inside as well, as you can see. And then she wrote me a little note. Super sweet. I love the little ice cream pops, little washi tape. So thank you so much, Missy, for that. I love it. I love it so much. And then you guys, look at this tag flip. When I saw this yumminess of a tassel, I was like, what? It is so thick. Look at that, you guys. Do you guys see how beautiful this is? Oh my gosh, I love this so much, Missy. This is beautiful. I think I'm gonna hang it right here on my, what do you call this, the shelf right in front of my desk, because I think that I need to stare at this every single day. It's so beautiful. It has so many different styles of ribbon. I love it. I love it so much. Look, you guys, how thick that is. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I love that she used so much eyelash trim. I am a huge fan as well. And look how cute her pages are. Is that not the cutest? The little gemmies, the little envelopes. Look at this little cute unicorn clip. I don't know if I'm doing it the right way. Is that where it starts? Or I think it starts, I don't remember. No, yep, I think it starts here. I don't want to do it the wrong way. Ooh, and she did them double-sided. And then look what we have here. So cute. And let's check out. I love that she used these little pockets. I have so many of them, but I never want to use them because I don't want to waste them and I want to hoard them. Look at the little Lisa Frank. I think that's a sticker. And that's a cut apart. She sent me some die cuts of feathers. Look at these little unicorn stickers. And then she gave me some note pages of this cute little notepad. How cute is that? I love that. So cute. I've never seen that notebook. So we're going to put these back in here. You guys, if I sound raspy, I think I'm getting sick, which happens to me every year on my birthday. For like the past 5-6 years, I get sick. Either right before my birthday, or yeah, like right before my birthday or on my birthday. I wake up that morning with a cold and I feel my voice is not the same and my throat hurts. I don't need it, you guys. And look at this big clip that she put here, and then it has these cute little tags of a little shoe and the L for my name. Is that not the cutest? I love it. And then look, she put me some little washi samples right here in this little pocket that she made. It says happy birthday, the little buttons. So cute. Okay, let me see. Yep. Let's turn it this way. There's another little pocket that she added some little goodies to. She gave me a little crown sticker, some little, I think like little Tinkerbell die cuts, little fairy. Is it just me, or like does everybody call, like when they see little fairy stuff, I always automatically say Tinkerbell. Like every fairy is called Tinkerbell. There's this cute little cutter part, and we have this cupcake sticker. Adorbs. So cute. And a little sequence heart. My gosh, my nail looks horrible. And then she has this cute little coffee cup here with a little shaker. Shake, shake, shake. And then it says, sending you smiles. And then she gifted me some cute little Doodlebug boutique brads. Aren't those adorable? I don't have those, so thank you so much for those. You guys always manage to send me stuff I don't have. And look at this one. It says, so chill. And she put make a wish. She's got little gemmies. The eyelash trim. The little shaker sticker. So cute. And then I think this is the last pocket in the back, and she gifted me some more little goodies inside this pocket. Look how cute. That's such a good idea to put the little clear pockets. So she gifted me this cute little sticker, another Lisa Frank sticker, another cutter part, some little donut stickers, and an ice cream sticker. So cute. Thank you so much, Missy, for those, and thank you so much for entering my challenge. I absolutely love this so much, especially your tassel. I am obsessed, and I am so glad to call it mine. But that is my quick little video showing you guys my very first entry. Let me know down below if you guys are entering. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.